I don't understand. What is it?
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Oui. 6.6 thousand wins right there. CR. 18,000 euros right there. Oui. Ah, you're getting oiled. There we go, finally. I didn't mute? No, I don't. For some reason, I used to. When I was like 16 years old, I was chewing gum like crazy. But I never muted. Oh, come on. Hey. Guys, that's another crazy time right there with a 4x on it. Are we crazy or what? Yes, we are crazy, everybody. Here we go. Beautiful, everybody. Amazing. Ah, yes. Crazy time, baby, is here. And we are going crazy. Oh, and there's a triple. Triple, everybody. Oh, yeah. Oh, amazing. Wow. Crazy, we go. Oh, yeah. Hey. Green, blue, yellow, everybody. Choose one flopper. Oh, yeah, choose the color. Ah, yes. Okay, everybody, so we are going to be fighting for a beautiful 800x. Best of luck to everybody. Okay, that's a 60x on the blue, 100x on the green, and a yellow. That's a double for y'all. Let's go. Double action. More penguins, everybody. 1600x is the new goal, everybody. Good luck, everybody. Let's do this thing.
This is the amount of money issued: 572,169 euros.
Amazing. All right, then 7,097 wins right there. Congrats, everybody. Still good. Amazing. What an experience. Oh, yeah.
Arr! Ken, Nish, and 7SB, you guys are the top winners, but compliments everyone. So cheers, thanks, good job, and another spin is coming your way. So if you're ready, well, let's not hold you waiting. Hold you back, bro. Whatever, you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, people, if you are ready, I wish you the best of luck. So, it's Gap, that is true. 5x and crazy time. But I feel like, I guess it is to be expected, right? Because believe me, those people that are the rudest to the host somehow are the first to ask the host to marry them whenever something good happens. Like, for example, a 5x Topslot crazy time. I'm just saying. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's not waste any time. Come right this way. Let's find out what's coming up. Okay, I mean, this could be pretty nice. Alright? So you better keep those fingers crossed. Alright? It's very important. Don't keep them crossed. Hey, you don't even want to know what can happen then. So here's the wheel, but the wheel is not ready yet. Here comes the 5x. Making everything 5 times as good. Alright? Because that is what it does. First will be buying. If you don't choose one for yourself, the one is chosen randomly for you. So, business as usual. We have to know with this, so you probably know. But okay, ladies and gentlemen, 500x maximum. There we go. Good luck to all of you.
This is the amount of money issued to 1,272,830 for euros.
150 on the blue and yellow. Nicely done, people. Okay, that's pretty solid. Congratulations. 14,326 winners, 46,000 euros top win. Pretty good stuff. So, congratulations, compliments, nicely done. Let's go for the next one.
Congratulations, and the betting time once again. Actually, it's maybe around 5 minutes left for my session. So let's see, maybe we can get something else good, you know? To finish with some style. So let's spin the wheel. Oh, 5x on the Pachinko. Maybe let's do this once again, huh? This time is, I don't know, for example, 5 hard X. Okay, well, please, another move. Yes! Woo! We've got a 5x Pachinko. Okay, we are here again, ladies and gentlemen. Here's our shining and a bit fearless Puck, right? He's just jumping from the wall. Okay, let's concentrate on the multipliers on the wheel, right? 15, 20, great multipliers, 35, 40, and now 5x's right there. That means, boom, a lot of good numbers, okay? Up to 225x here. Okay, what a spot. Great. Good luck. He dropped again. Okay, guys. Here we go. Another chance for us. Let's do that again. Okay, well, good luck. Yeah, you turned actually great to this highest kind of spots. Yep.
This is the amount of money issued 86,197 euros.
The 1,862 winners, congratulations. The betting time.
British Swedish stock, enjoy. 1,398 winners, compliments. Better open. Why wasn't the C2-2X? Because we didn't land it. I can't pick. Did you place a bet on Cash Hunt? Good luck. That's a 10x coin flip. So am I invited or not? Sure you are. Kevin, you got 100? Look at that. Ooh, wait a minute. Coin flip, everyone. It's a 10x on top of it. I mean, this might be something. This has potential to be huge, actually. Red, blue, we place blue side up. Hope you're lucky. And we wait for double digits. Maybe it's a perfect time to get 100 in here. At least 50. Come on. Okay, so there's 25 and there is 4. And then times 10 there's 40 against 250. Whoa. In the name of all that's holy. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 196,680 euros.
So let's set up, everyone. 250x right there, 1,457 winners. Congratulations, everyone. Better open. Am I still not suited for this job? Bella was saying, this job is not for you. Well, good luck.
And best session, I don't understand what is it about. Maybe they're speaking about my bones or something. I don't know. By the way, Pachinko with a 20x. This one. I'm stopping the wheel. Ladies and gentlemen, and that's how the legends are being made, baby. A 20x Topslot Pachinko in the end of the session. Ah, yeah. King in the castle, baby. Right after the big win over there. Hey, look at that. 40x multiplier is the lowest one. The highest one, show me the highest multiplier. Man, a 400x. I was putting a lot of the bigger efforts, you know. I was thinking there's gonna be more than a 400x. Man, that's crazy. But still yet, I mean, good luck for everybody. That could be a big one. Best of luck. But still yet, I mean, if we hit a 400x, that's basically a new big win of a day, but we do have a chances. Come here, baby. Come here. Yeah. 400.
This is the amount of money issued 186,609 euros.
400x, a new big win of a day.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.